Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can remove Fibonacci levels in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness. Then let's add our Fibonacci. And let's say, for example, I want to remove, let's say 79%. Okay, this level. So all you have to do is click on your Fibonacci, then go to the gear icon right here, settings, as you can see. Now click on it and scroll down and look for that level. So the 79% is 0.79, this one. So all you have to do is uncheck it like this. And as you can see, that level has been removed. If you want to keep only the 50%, so you have to remove everything and keep only 0.50 and 1. Okay? As you can see here. Then click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.